Right, I need some lights on. Oh my goodness me, lighting. Yeah, come on, hurry up. Come on, hurry up. I want red. Yeah, I want. Let's do it nice and smooth. Let's change that static look. I want that static look on, and I want the intensity to bring down. And oh, hang on, where are we with it? Hang on, hey, you. Are you looking for something to make SoundSwitch a lot easier to use? Yeah. Then why not try the Control 1
okay, then.
from SoundSwitch?
I'll give it a try, because by gummy me, SoundSwitch is confusing and hard work. You do it on your controller at the same time. I'll give it a go.
And I bought something to help me with SoundSwitch today, which I'm going to try live tonight on an 18th birthday party. So here we go. I bought myself from Control 1 from SoundSwitch. Let's plug it in, see if it works, shall we? So instead of using my dongle, I have got this SoundSwitch Control 1. The biggest thing I like about this, I can set the brightness, so people say, oh, it's a bit bright, I can turn them up or I can turn them down just from here on this touch screen. So let's see how I get on with it tonight as I perform an 18th birthday party inside a marquee. Oh no, on a sunny day. Let's begin. I bought some nice covers for my J8s from Denon. Looking forward to having these out again. And let me show you my new bag. And there we go, my new bag that I bought from Temu. The poles of the J8s are in there, the power cables, and the XLR cables, and the middle one is my Speakon cables, spare ones. Yes, I bought some spare ones. I am now quite confident with these bad boys. Looking forward to using them again tonight.